Welcome to this lesson. We want to solve for x in this equation. The equation reads 16 over 9 power x is equal to 3 over 4 power 5. To work this out, let us first of all start by looking at 16 over 9. You notice that it's a square number, and so it can be written as 4 over 3 squared. Now we rewrite the equation that we had, which was 16 over 9. This time we're going to write it as 4 over 3 squared power x is equal to 3 over 4 power 5. After that, we know that a power m power n can actually be a power mn. And so we're going to multiply the powers so that we now have 4 over 3 power 2x is equal to 3 over 4 power 5. Now, we already know 3 over 4 power 1 can actually be written as 4 over 3 power negative 1. You just flip the numerator to become the denominator and the denominator to become the numerator. But the power now changes to be negative 1. So when we look at our right hand side, 3 over 4 power 5 can be written as 4 over 3 power negative 5. So we rewrite our expression to become 4 over 3 power 2x is equal to 4 over 3 power negative 5. You notice that the base is the same, which is actually 4 over 3. And so we can cancel out the base. Rather, we ignore the base and just pick out the indices only. And that gives us 2x is equal to negative 5. Next, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. And so we have 2 over 2x is equal to negative 5 over 2. And that gives us our final answer. X is equal to negative 2.5. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.